India consumes billions of sanitary pads a year, yet most districts remain underserved. That gap is your business opportunity. Step 1. Register your brand, get GST and licensing in place, and choose your model. Own manufacturing or contract production to launch faster. Step 2. Pick your machine. Semi-automatic suits a district-level launch, while full automatic serves statewide distribution. Step 3. Lock your raw materials. Top sheet, addle, sap, backsheet, release paper, and wrap film decide your pad quality. Step 4. Test, certify, and distribute. Build pharmacy, school, and self-help group channels alongside online marketplaces for steady volume. Favourite Fab supplies complete raw material kits for pad startups. One vendor, consistent quality, pan-India delivery. Start today.